Vapours from hot stoves or baths and showers mean that humidity levels are always rising and falling in kitchen and bathroom areas, so your paint finish will need to stand up to the test in this room. Here's what you'll need. Firstly, you will need moisture-resistant paint for the entire space. We'll be using Taubmans Endure Kitchen and Bathroom, as it resists mould and mildew. Low sheen or semi-gloss paints are a better choice for bathroom ceilings than flat ceiling paints because they are more washable and moisture resistant. Alternatively, you could use Taubmans Easy Coat Kitchen and Bathroom with the added protection of Microban. You'll also need canvas or plastic drop cloths, masking tape, sponge and soap solution using detergent and water, pre-mixed filler and a flexible filling blade, sandpaper at 180 and 240 grade, a 25mm paintbrush for getting into those hard-to-paint areas and for trim work. You may find it easier to use a 50mm or 63mm brush for first-time painters. Taubmans recommends only using premium brushes and rollers like the ones from Monarch. You'll also need a 230mm or 270mm roller frame and matching paint tray. We suggest a 10 to 12mm nap roller cover, a pole, and lastly, a stepladder. The time it takes to paint your bathroom depends on the number of walls or areas that require painting. These are the steps you will need to follow. Determine the paint colour palette for the bathroom and use the paint calculator on our website to help you determine the quantity of paint required for the area you will be painting. Ensure you prepare the bathroom, similar to how you would any other room, but pay special attention when repainting old bathrooms as enamel finishes may have been used on the walls. We recommend a light sand or a coat of Taubmans 3-in-1 Sealer Primer undercoat to ensure new paint adhesion and results. Begin by painting the ceilings, followed by the walls and doors, trims and window frames. Remember to leave the room well ventilated. Water-based paints will need 2 days before they are exposed to moisture. This means you need to ensure the paint is completely dry before using the bathroom. Having a well-ventilated bathroom with a good exhaust fan will help the paints cure quickly and prevent mould in the future. There are more videos on the Taubmans YouTube channel to guide you through every painting job, from painting exterior walls to painting doors. There are also really helpful video guides on everything from choosing the right paint to preparing walls. Let's go paint!